want to just take a moment to talk about the software, which has, I can't say it enough, guys. It's changed our business. Like it's changed. The scheduling is amazing. At a glance, you can see what's coming up. I have a hard time that I like to, when people call me, I like to service them quick and get them on the calendar quick. I can just look at it 2 weeks in advance and I say, no, I can get them on to this date in a flash. One of the things that we use. The email communication is on it is great. The forms that you guys had, the CRM. I mean, I don't know what I would have done with another software if it would have given me the same results. And so I'm a fanboy I'm a fanboy. I can't stress it enough. When I started the second business, I said right away, we got to open up the ServiceMonster account because we're not going to take a day without it because it helps us that much. So I want to say thank you to you guys for having the imagination to create that product and that you constantly improve it. Every time I call for help, I get help immediately. And so I want to thank you guys for having a great product. We believe in it, and we're going to stick with you guys for a while.